Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a call failed on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to call someone on your phone app on your iPhone and you see a call failed option, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have inserted your physical SIM, and if you are enjoying your eSIM, then you have to make sure that it is working properly. Then you can also check your detail about your eSIM, and you can also contact your network provider that your network is working properly. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn off again. So in this way you can simply restart your network connection, and after that you can simply remove your physical SIM, and you have to try to insert again. Now what you have to do, you have simply try to call that person you want to check whether that call appears or not. And you can see this error is again appearing, so you can simply see the call failed option is here. Now the second thing you can do is you can simply restart your device. For this you have to simply press and hold the power button. After that you can simply press and hold volume button at the same time, and you will see the shutdown screen or restarts your phone screen, and you can simply restart your device. And after restarting you can simply try again whether this appears to your phone or not. If it appears again, then you can simply check for the next method, which is that you have to simply clear the settings for your phone app. For this you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to apps, and in apps you have to look for the phone app. And in the phone apps you can simply check all the details about your phone app settings, and you have to simply make sure that you do not have turned on any important setting related to the phone app. So in this way you can simply go through all the settings. If any setting related to call is turned on, then you can simply make sure that you have turned on all the features. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.